Oh. Hello, this is Faryad from Hunza. Hope you guys enjoyed peaceful atmosphere here and on the mountainside. After a very hardest climb, I just reached in this waterfall, on this waterfall. And this is really amazing with exploration and climb. So the most biggest purposes of life is living in wilderness and feel your existence where you are right now in this universe. If life exists in the billions of galaxies, in the billions of planets, and in the billions of cosmos around the globe, so if life exists on this earth, on this beautiful planet, so it means that this is a miracle. And it's been 2 or 3 days living here in these mountains. So I'm healed by nature. I invite the most loving, personal, nature-loving people from all over the world that just join with me and explore and feel the beauty of this beautiful earth planet. So bye bye, Faryad from Hunza Stone Age Tours. See you, because it's getting evening and I have to go back. And the climb is very hard and I have to go. All the best. As you can see, and the river is down over there. And this is a very hardest way that never try non-professional climbers, even especially kids. I advise kids that without any tools and devices, ropes or climbing tools, you don't have to come here, because this is a great risk that I have taken without any climb, without any tools. I just came here, and from here you can see the beautiful Atawad Lake as well, and see the evening, the sunset, and how greatly see the colors. And as you can see, Baltbar, Shishkat Valley, and this is Gulmit side, where you can see the dikes. And see how beautifully. And this climb has been stuck here is because of it's getting evening, and tomorrow morning I will go up from this unexplored way. This is not a way, you have to make your own way, and then you have to move on the top of the Shungash pasture, which is very beautiful, and I will show you after some days.